Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Today we're going to be opening up my October Boxycharm by Ipsy, so if you want to see what I got, then keep watching. So this month's box, I just did the normal base box, my beauty boost, no add-ons because I did order my advent calendar, and that was not cheap. But as always, I have everything pulled up, so let's unbox. Here is the inside. First product is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, and I picked this. I use this cream 2 times a day, every single day. I have eczema right here on my arms. You can't really see it right now. I've realized that dairy is like my #1 stressor, and I have it on my leg, which it is more on my leg than my arm, but I use this every single day in the morning and at night. It is the best. I'll also use it if I feel like it's really irritating me, just like in the middle of the day, but it helps so much. Even with any just dry patches, I've used it on my face, just all over my body. The best cream. The tub and the tube last forever. I cannot say enough good things about First Aid Beauty because they are probably my #1 favorite skincare brand, because their products actually work and make a difference on my skin. Next product is this Tarte blush tape liquid blush in pink, and I chose this. Please ignore the car alarm that's going off right now. I've always wanted to try these. I never did. The color pink looks really pretty, so let's do a little swatch. I'm squeezing this, but I'm also scared it's gonna like explode in my face. Okay, so if you have this, you twist it when you squeeze it. There you go. And then the product comes, and then I'm gonna switch it to off so you don't get a lot of products. Okay, I like that about the packaging. Oh, the color. That's really pretty. Gonna add this to my liquid blush collection, which has grown so much. Next up is this REINA Rebelde On Your Face and Contour Trio, and Boxycharm chose this. This is cute. I think I may get some use out of this because it is a contour palette, but the highlight looks really pretty. I'm gonna do little swatches of all 3. So here's the contour. Yeah, the contour shade looks a little warm. Here's the highlight that looks really pretty. It looks like Cookie from Benefit, which is what I'm wearing now. And then there's the blush. I like the blush. I also really like the packaging. Kind of reminds me of Bailey's variant. Next up is this LISH Cosmetics lip scrub, and this is the second product that Boxycharm by Ipsy chose for me. I'm excited to have this because my lips have been so chapped, so I need a lip scrub. This just looks like a typical sugar scrub. Next product I chose is the Eloise Beauty Goddess palette. This palette looks really pretty. I like the pops of blues. I love all the neutrals. I like palettes with a pop of blue or pop of color and your neutrals. I think this will be really pretty, so I'm going to be using it in my upcoming Get Ready With Me's, so make sure you're following me to see all those. And last product is the beauty boost for this month, and this is the MURAD Resurgence Retinol Resculpt Overnight Treatment. I've been using retinol at night for the past couple of months, and I'm honestly noticing a big difference in my skin. I don't have wrinkles or anything like that, but my skin's looking smoother. I just feel like my skin never looked good, and ever since I started using retinol, it's been looking a lot better. So I'm very excited to incorporate this in my nighttime skincare routine. And that is it for this month's Boxycharm by Ipsy. I think this month's box was pretty good. I think the product that I'm most excited for is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, just because this is an all-time favorite of mine. Not gonna lie, I did purchase a tube of this recently, but it's always good to have a backup because I'm gonna be needing it for the colder months. Let me know what you think of this month's box in the comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you get Boxycharm by Ipsy, tell me what you got as well. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!